Welcome to the Motorcycle Dealers Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. This CUFinder report dives into the unique digital landscape of powersports marketing, where passionate audiences create incredible engagement opportunities. Mobile leads at 72.4%, reflecting the on-the-go lifestyle of motorcycle enthusiasts. Desktop accounts for 24.1% and tablet for 3.5%. Riders browse inventory and compare specs from their phones. Visitors spend 2 minutes 45 seconds per session, viewing 3.8 pages. The average bounce rate is 46.5%, with the benchmark for high performers below 40%. Dealers with rich media and virtual tours outperform significantly. Organic search drives 51% of traffic, the highest in powersports. Direct traffic is 18%. Paid search brings 16%. Social media contributes a notable 9%, fueled by the passionate motorcycle community. Google Ads CPC is $2.85 with a 4.1% conversion rate. Facebook and Instagram ads are more affordable at 95 cents per click with an $11.50 CPM. The average CPA is $48.50. The average website conversion is 2.2%. Top 10% of dealers hit 4.5%. Desktop converts at 3.1% versus mobile at 1.8%. Configuration tools and virtual showrooms help close the gap. Service department retention is 58%. The repeat purchase rate within 5 years is 32%, and average customer lifetime value reaches $12,500. The emotional connection riders have with their brand creates strong loyalty. TikTok engagement hits 4.2%, fueled by ride videos and lifestyle content. Instagram engagement is 1.85%, and Facebook is 0.45%. Posting 4 to 5 times weekly on Instagram and 2 to 3 TikTok videos drives best results. Average email open rate is 23.8%. Welcome emails soar to 48%. Click-through rate is 2.9%, above the industry average. Seasonal campaigns around riding season generate the strongest engagement. Key insights for motorcycle dealers. Social media is your superpower with 9% of traffic from social. TikTok engagement at 4.2% rewards lifestyle content. Customer lifetime value of $12,500 justifies acquisition costs, and organic search drives half of all traffic. That concludes the Motorcycle Dealers Benchmarks 2026. Rev up your lead generation with CUFinder at CUFinder.io.